Morning, guys. Um, Having a look here at a potential income generator long that may trigger very soon. This is Cable CAD, and it's one of the reasons that I like the setup here. I have some concerns. I'm going to point them out, but I am going to probably take a trade on this one. Is there's just a really good, strong precision of higher lows on the daily. There's some good high highs. There's phase one, phase two. There's a lower high here. That's fine. That's not relevant right now. There's a new high at this point. Uh, there's a phase two. So obviously there was some type of resistance level. So that's another reason that I'm quite happy about this. Resistance that it's finally broken out. Retesting. Moving on. So there's some good stuff happening here. On the weekly, there is a high test below the 100 EMA, so that is worthwhile taking note of. That is my concern. That's the only concern I have. So it'll be interesting to see price action close above that, but based on what I see on the daily, at this point it's definitely going to try. It is going to attempt to do this, and I'm hoping that if we do good trade management, price action breaks above this, we'll probably have a bit of a pullback, but the plan would be then is to manage your stop accordingly, so that you can then trail if it breaks out, and my belief is that it has actually broken out here and is looking to move up ahead, and that's why it's a relatively good trade. So if it continues to do that, we might find that it'll continue to move up. We've had in the past some good solid bars up here, so we might find that that's exactly the case. I'm looking here for phase one, phase two, phase one, potentially a phase two here, so just ping pong from the 100 back down, and then it would go long again. This is also looking relatively bullish, but I would like to see it move up to here. So the trick to that, the trick A to not losing any money, but making sure you're in the trade, is obviously money management. So we'll be watching. We'll have a plan A, which is obviously to put a target in place, which is what I'll put in my trade call. We'll also have another plan to make sure that we trail our stop accordingly. So hopefully we can move our stop to break even as quickly as possible, and we'll see how today ends. Yeah, so let's have a look and see how that develops. Otherwise, if you've got any questions, post them below this YouTube video link, and then we'll take it from there. All right, cheers.